In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can create your YouTube thumbnail. Very straightforward. In under a minute, you are going to create a very beautiful thumbnail. To do that, just go on Canva and once you get in there, you log in and the best thing you need to do is to it depends on where it takes you. It depends on where you land once you log in. But once you log in, just go to templates. When you go to templates, you can just click on thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. If it's not there, you can just search for it. You can just type in here YouTube thumbnail. You are going to come up with this. So what you can do, you can either choose to create a custom one where you can bring in your template or your images, or you can just pick one of the templates that is already there. So as you can see, these ones appear to be free. So you can just click on it and customize. So it brings you here. All you now need to do is to make the changes that you want. And so for example here, we can just make anything that we want. We could say something like how to make so let me make it smaller. We can make it smaller. We can go there and make it smaller. You can say how to make money online. So that's it. So if you have your own images, you can just remove this one and put your image. If you want to add additional text, you can go there and choose what text you want to add. You see? So that's just it. It's just as simple as this. So after you are done making your modifications, you can just go there. Or before I conclude, what I can also suggest is that in case you want to add your own images, you can just go on you can click on the thumbnail, go on upload and upload whatever you want from there. So once your thumbnail is ready, you click there, you go on download, and so you can save it either in a JPEG or PNG. So you go there and you download it. You download. It's downloading. So let's save it. Let me call it how to. So I'm going to show you how you can upload it. Now, in order to upload the video, or rather the thumbnail that we just did, you log into your YouTube studio, you go and create, upload videos. Obviously, you pick your video. In this case, let me just go on and pick any random video from here. Let me pick this. I don't remember what it was for, but let me pick it up. So once you pick it, you go upload file under the thumbnail, then you pick the thumbnail you just created, and that's it. It's uploading. Process will begin shortly. So that's all that you need to do, and your thumbnail is now created. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and give me a thumbnail and add some comments.